To connect your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website, you need to adjust the domain settings in GoDaddy and Wix. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the domain section. Find the domain you want to connect to your Wix site and select it. Look for the DNS or domain management section and locate the DNS settings for your domain. Change the DNS settings to point to Wix's servers. This typically involves adding or modifying the A and C name records. You will need to replace existing records with Wix's DNS settings. Save the changes to your DNS settings in GoDaddy. Next, in your Wix account, log into your Wix account and go to the Settings section. Select Domains and then click on Connect the domain you already own. Choose Connect the domain in another account and select GoDaddy. Follow the prompts to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. You may need to verify ownership of the domain. Once the connection is complete, your GoDaddy domain will be linked to your Wix site, and visitors will be directed to your Wix website when they access your domain.